Hello students, welcome to the mathematics class. In this class, we will discuss the exercise 4.3. The class is 4th standard. Okay, let us start. The first question is, multiply the following using the expanded form. Yes, expanded form. That means, what is the expanded form there? The sum of the place values of its digit. The sum of the place value of the its digit, that is called the expanded. We already learned in the exercise 2.123. So with that knowledge, we will solve the problem in the multiplication. Okay, the first one is the 217 into 4. First we have to expand the 217. Yes, what is the expanded? The sum of the place value of its digit, that is called the expanded. Okay, solution. The 217 is write the place values there. The 2 it is in the 100 place, 1 it is in the tens place, 7 it is in the ones place. So the 2 into 100 plus the 1 into 10, then the 7 it is in the ones place. Okay, I wrote the 217 in the expanded form with respected to the place values there. Next, what is the next step there? The 2 into 100 is equal to 200 plus the 1 into 10 is equal to 10 plus 7 into 1 is equal to 7. Okay, the next step is write the 4. Yes, write the round bracket. The 200 plus 10 plus 7, the round bracket completed. Next, the 4 it is in the multiplication form. So write that one in the multiplication. So into 4. Okay, next, multiply by the 4 to the each digit there. The 200 into 4, write this one in the round bracket. Next, write the plus as it is. The 4 into 10, the 10 into 4 there. Next, the plus 7 into 4. What we did? We did the 4 multiply by the 4 to each digit there. That means the 200 into 4, 10 into 4, 7 into 4. Next, do the multiplication now. We already learned in the 3.6, 3.7. Is what is that? First we have to multiply with the non-zero part, then put the zeros in the next part. Is what are the non-zero part there? The 2 and 4 there. So multiply the first, the non-zero part there, the 4 into 2. Yes, that is the 4 into 2, that is 8. 4 2s are 8. Write the zeros there. Yes, how many zeros there? There are the 2 zeros. So I wrote the 2 zeros there. Next one, the 10 into 4. The 10 4s are 40 plus 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28. Yes, how much the answer there? Is write all the numbers in the column wise. The 840 plus 28. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. Then 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So 8 as it is. Why? Because there is no adding to add to the 8. So that is the answer. What is the answer there? The 868. Okay, right here. The 868. Yes, what is the multiplication of the 217 into 4? The answer is 868. Okay, next do the second question. That is the B. Okay, the B question is the 436 into 6. Okay, first we have to do the 436 in the expanded form. write this one, the 436 in the expanded form. That is, the 6 in ones place, 3 it is in tens place, 4 it is in hundred place. So write with the respective places. That is 4 into 100 plus the 3 into 10 plus 6 into 1. Okay, the next step, the 4 into 100 is 400, 3 into 10 is 30, next 6 into 1 is 6. Yes, after expanded form, we write the 6 in the multiplication. 6 in the multiple. Multiple with the 6 to each digit there. That is 400 into 6 plus 30 into 6 plus 6 into 6. Okay, next. Multiple first to the non-zero part. The 6 and the 4, these are the non-zero part. So 6 4s are. Is 6 4s are 24. Let's write the remaining zeros as it is. Then the 2 zeros. So that becomes 2400 plus the 30 into 6. That means the 6 3s are first. We have to multiply with the non-zero part first. That means the 6 into 3 is 18. So write the zeros there. Next, the 6 6s are 36. 6 6 are 36. Let's add all the numbers there. 2400, 180 and 36. So 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 1 carry over to the 100 place. So 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 2 as it is. What is the answer there? 2616. Okay, write this one. 2616. Okay, what we did? We wrote the 436 in the expanded form and write the multiplication by 6 there as it is, and by 6 we multiply to each digit there. That is 400 into 6, 30 into 6, 6 into 6. The 2400 we get from the multiplication of the 406. Then 30 into 6, that is 180. 6 into 6, that is 36. We add all the numbers there. We get the 2616. Yes, the 436 into 6 is equal to 2616. Okay, then do the C1 question there. Yes, what is the C question? The C question is 2058 into 6. First we have to do the 2058. Write that one in the expanded form. Yes, the 8 ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So write each digit in the respected places there. The places, the solution, that is 2058. That means 2000 plus 0 plus is write this one is. Next we have to do the one more step there, that is is 2 into 1000 plus the 0 into 100 plus the 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1. The 2 into 1000 means 2000 plus 0 into 100 means 0. When we multiply 0 with the any number, we get the 0 as a product. Plus the 5 into 10 is equal to 50 plus 8 into 1 is equal to 8 there. And write the multiplication number there by 6. The next step is multiply 6 by each number there. The 8 into 6. Okay, next multiply first non-zero part, that means multiply with the non-zero part first. 6 and 2 there, 6 2s are 12, and then write the zeros there. 1 2 3, there are the 3 zeros, so I wrote the 3 zeros in the place. Next 0 into 6 is equal to 0 plus the 50 into 6, that means first multiply with the non-zero part. The 6 into 5 is equal to, that is 30, and then put zeros there. Yes, how many zeros there? Only one zero, so write the only one zero. Then 8 6 ja or 6 8 ja, 6 8 ja 48. Add all the addends there, arrange all the numbers in the columns. The 0 plus is 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 8 is 8, 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 plus 3 is 3, and 2 as it is, the 1 as it is. What is the answer there? The 12,348. Yes, what is the multiplication of the 2058 into 6 is? That is 12,348. Okay, that's it. The next, the one more problem there, that is F1. Is the F1, what is that? That is 4,575 into 2. Okay, write this one in the expanded form. The first step is write the given number in the expanded form. The 4,575, the 4 it is in the thousands place. Next, the 5 it is in 100 place. The 7 it is in tens place. The 5 it is in ones place. The 4 into 1000 is 4000. The 5 into 100 is 500. The 7 into 10 is 70. Next, the 5 into 1 is 5. Write the multiplication number there. The 2 is multiplied to 4,575. Then write the each digit separately. The 4,000 into 2 plus the 500 into 2 plus the 70 into 2. The last one is 5 into 2. That is 5 into 2. The 4,000 into 2 is multiply the first, the non-zero part they multiply with the non-zero part first and then put the zeros. So the 2 into 4 is 8. Write the zeros there. There are the 3 zeros. Next, the 2 into 5 is 10. Then put the zeros there. There are the 2 zeros. So I wrote the 2 zeros. The next number, the 2 sevens are 14. Then write the zeros there plus the 2 fives are, that is 10. Arrange all the numbers in the columns and then add it. That is 8,000. Next, the 1,000, the 140 and the 10. Zero, 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 zero there. The 0 plus 0, 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 is 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Yes. What is the answer there? That is 9150. Yes. The 4575 is multiplied by the 2. The answer is 9150. We wrote that one in the expanded form. Okay, there are the two more problems you have to do with this knowledge. Okay, the next question is, the next question is the second one, that is fill in the blanks. The 7 into 400 way. First, what we have to do? We have to do multiply with the non-zero part first and then put the zeros there. Yes, what are the non-zero part here? The 4 and 7. Yes, multiply with the non-zero part first. That means the 4 into 7. That 4 into 7 is 28. Yes, write then put the zeros there. That is the 2 zeros there. So I wrote the 2 zeros, that is 28,000. Next B, multiply with the non-zero part first. That is 6 and 2. That means 2 6 are 12. And then put the zeros there. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So write the 3 zeros. The next one, C. The 2 nines are 80. So write the 1 0 there. That becomes 180. Next, 3 14s are 14 3s are 14 3s are 3 14s are or 14 3s are. The 14 3s are 42. Then write the 2 zeros there. The 4200. Next, the even, the 23 twos are 46. Then put the zeros, the 3 zeros there. 46,000. 17 fives are 5 70s are both are same there. That is 85. Write the 3 zeros there. The 85,000. Next, the 25 into 6. 25 into 6. That is the 150. Then write the zeros. The 1 0 remaining. So that becomes 1500. First multiply with the non-zero part first and then put the zeros. The 13 fours are 4 13s are 13 fours are 4 13s are, that is 52. And then put the zeros. How many zeros? 1 2 3. So write the 3 zeros there. The next one, the 19 into 700. Multiply with the non-zero part first. The 19 into 7 or 7 into 19. That becomes 133. The how many zeros there? There are the 2 zeros. Then put the zeros. That becomes 13,300. Next, G1, the 15 into 900. Multiply with the non-zero part first. That means 9 15s are 15 9s are both are same. That is the 135. Then put the zeros 1 and 2. What is the answer there? 13,500. Next, the 8 into 4,000. Multiply with the non-zero part first. The 8 fours are 32. Then put the zeros 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. That is 32,000. the L1, the 12 into 5000 multiply with the non-zero part first, the 5 into 12 or 12 into 5, that is 60. How many zeros there? 1, 2, 3. So write the 3 zeros there. Yes, what is the answer? 60,000. Okay, this is the second main from the exercise 4.3. Yes, the exercise is completed.